Hey everybody, it's Frank Karachi, What About Frank? And I'm starting my Black Manta build. So I started off with finding two spheres about yay big. I wouldn't know how big they are, but you can see they're about as big as my hand. And I glued them together. If you can find something that's perfectly round, hey, go for it. Or you can cut it out of foam. I decided I went the lazy way. Now I'm just applying a fan to a small sheet of foam. So what I'm going to do is wrap it around the fan and then attach it to this dome and make kind of like a quick cheap thruster. And these are just computer fans with red LEDs, and we'll see how it turns out. And here's the jet packs. I used computer fans, and I'm going to hook them up to a battery pack. I just have to fix the wiring a bit and clean it up as the cutting is, and of course cover up the inside of this foam here, which I don't like the look of, and of course it needs a coat of paint and to be mounted on the backpack. So that's part one of my Black Manta cosplay. I will update you when I finally get the helmet 3D printed and everything else is complete. So far I'm liking it. I don't like the build on this. It was a pain in the neck, but we'll see how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, What About Frank? And feel free to leave some comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks. Bye.